All right, YouTube family, so this is not the best audio, so don't beat me up for this, but we're on break from the event that I'm at here today, and I'm really encouraged to host an event about video marketing, about influencing, about business, entrepreneurship, the things that you should focus on versus the things you shouldn't, systems, processes, theory, and the like. I've learned so much as a full-time entrepreneur, but I'm here. I think there's a little park over there. I wore my little fancy shoes, so I don't know if I'll be able to make it up there, but I hope that you're inspired on the day-to-day. I know you guys are asking me about the student loan forgiveness program, but you know what? I'm gonna just be doing some more videos about life, and I'll include that as well. So what other questions do you have beyond student loan forgiveness? What did you go to school for? Why do you want your loans forgiven? How much do you owe? All right, there's a whole group of people walking by. They like to stare at me while I do video. Who cares? All right, I'll see you in the next segment. And I'm just gonna be posting a lot of these short, I'm out and about videos. I don't make anything from YouTube. Well, I make a couple $100 from YouTube. I make money from YouTube, I'm not gonna say that. I don't YouTube to make money, I YouTube to inspire, because this is not the core of what I do, and to show you that there are people out here that as entrepreneurs that are doing the damn thing. So that's why I do the YouTube videos, all right? So you'll see more of these, but my posting schedule, I hope I can get back to the schedule on Sundays. I hope, but if not, you'll see these. All right, I'll see you in the next video.